गुरुर्साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरुवे नमः। त्वमेव माता च पिता त्वमेव बन्धुश्च सखा त्वमेव विद्या द्रविणं त्वमेव सर्वं मम देव। जे उत्पत्ति स्थिति लय करे वेदो स्तुति उच्चरे। जैनारोम सुछिद्रमा अणुसमा ब्रह्मांड कोटि फरे। माया काळ रवि शशि सुरगणो आज्ञानलोपेक्षण। एवा अक्षरधाम्नाधिपति श्री स्वामी नारायण। जनियमृतवाणी तो वही रही साक्षात् महिमा रूपे। जनी ब्राह्मी स्थिति अहोलिन करे सुभव्याक्षर पदे। शरणागत निज अल्प जीव सहुना श्रेयार्थ तत्पर रहे। काका स्नेहल सिंधु दिव्य विभुने हयो तो वंदन करे। सजानंद स्वामी महाराजनी जय जय जय। सर्वे गुणातीत स्वरूपोनी जय जय जय। प्रगट ब्रह्म स्वरूप काकाजी महाराज, पप्पाजी महाराज, स्नेहल सिंधु दिव्य बंधु शताब्दी पर्व जय जय जय। प्रगट ब्रह्म स्वरूप हरिप्रसाद स्वामी महाराज आत्मीय युवा महोत्सवनी जय। प्रगट ब्रह्म स्वरूप जसभाई साहेब सर्व सुहृदम पर्व महोत्सवनी जय जय जय। सद्गुरुदेव की जय जय जय। आज के आनंद की जय जय जय। सर्वे गुणातीत स्वरूपोनी जय जय जय। આજે અમારા રશ્મિભાઈનું કુટુંબ આવ્યું છે. શિલ્પાબેન ને રશ્મિભાઈ, અને રસોઈ બી સરસ બનાવી હતી બધી. આઇટમ્સ વેર વેરી ગુડ. Excuse me. But not to declare the birthday and do all this seva is even higher level of understanding. But when something unusual happens, people always say there has to be some connection. There has to be some reason. If Shilpa Ben would have invited everybody on some another day and not her birthday, then it would be a different story. But we are very happy, all of you have come. આજે અમારા શિલ્પાબેનના બર્થડે ઉપર 20મી તારીખે છે ને એમનો? શિલ્પાબેનનું ક્યારે? 20મી છે ને? યા. પણ શિલ્પાબેન has come to America because of our Rashmibai. And when she came here, her family, her parents and other relatives also came and joined with our satsang, and they also enjoyed, And they have so much devotion, Our Pushpa Ben, Raman Bhai, Shilpa Ben's father, that when we go to India and when we go to their place in Ahmedabad, it's a special occasion. Yeah. Yeah. Right. And a lot of flowers and a lot of decoration and all that, So our Gujarati, there is a કહેવત, હૈયે હોય એ હોઠે આવે અને હૈયે હોય એ આંગણે આવે. At the whatever is in our heart, it shows up on our lips and it shows up on our homes. So Shilpa Ben has done a lot of our satsang seva also, She is in the laboratory and does a lot of blood test for devotees. She does caring of, people. She also has her dear son, Surad in our satsang, as sadhak. So that is a plus point, in our satsang, that a parent is happy to have their assets, their dhan, dham, kutum, parivar, for satsang, Our Sahishnu Bhai also. He is very bright and he goes to medical school, and she prays for, Sahishnu Bhai also, that he also comes to our satsang and he also enjoys, our satsang. We are in a different culture in this country. In this country, it is like Swarglok, that whatever you have done, good, penance or good austerities or good donations or whatever, you have earned good deeds, and you go to Swarglok and spend there, સ્વર્ગમાં જઈ અને આપણા જે પુણ્ય હોય એની ત્યાં આગળ વાપરાશ થાય, ત્યાં પુણ્ય વપરાય. એમાં અમેરિકા બી એવો દેશ છે કે અહીંયા આગળ કોઈને ભજન કરવાનું ઓછું ગમે, પણ બીજી બધી પ્રવૃત્તિમાં 24 કલાક બી ઓછા પડે. There will be shortage of time, if we want to do any worldly things, in this country, Many years ago, there was one family in New York, Rana family. And the gentleman was doing 3 jobs. 3 full-time jobs, 8 hours. ત્રણ કરે એટલે 8 કલાક, 3 ટાઈમ કરે કેટલા કલાક થાય? 24 કલાક થાય. Round the clock. And in between, he would sleep or he would take a nap or whatever, So when Swamiji came and when he heard about that there is one person who does 3 jobs, એ કહે ભાઈ મારે એના પગે લાગવું પડશે. I will have to bow down to him. કેટલી બધી સિન્સિયરિટી, કેટલી બધી ઝીલ, એટલી જો સત્સંગમાં આવે તો. If that is how much we do for satsang, ભગવાન હાજર હજુર થઈ જાય. બટ આ લોક જ એવો છે, કે એને ભજન કરવાનું ઓછું ગમે અને વ્યવહારિક પ્રવૃત્તિઓ વધારે ગમે. પણ થોડુંક બી ભજન કરીએ, if we do even small amount of prayer and other thing, it gives a big effect, A lot of people, they call me when they have problems or issues or whatever. And I listen to their problems, It may take 10 minutes, 15 minutes, half an hour, 1 hour, But all this time I keep waiting, that let him finish and then I'll start. And what do I start? Dhun. So all their frustration for half an hour, whatever they have, mentioned, when we do dhun, and I like to at least balance, if you have spent half an hour with me for your problems, then you have to spend at least half an hour with me, with dhun, right? But at the end of the dhun, they say, I feel so good, my problems are gone, my worries are gone. Then I say, why don't you start that? When you called me, why didn't you say, let's do dhun? No, but we don't have that style, We always want to, say whatever is in frustration or whatever is in our mind, પણ અમારા શિલ્પાબેન છે, એમને કંઈક પ્રોબ્લેમ આવે તો મને પહેલાં એમ કે ધૂન કરવા ફોન કર્યો છે. આઈ હેવ કોલ્ડ ફોર ધૂન. તમે કહો આવા તો મને બહુ ઓછા મળે. ઇટ્સ વેરી રેર જેમ ટુ ફાઇન્ડ લાઈક ધીસ. Master key. And doing dhun is making a big difference also. ધૂન વસ્તુ કેવી છે? ઓટો ફીડબેક છે. તમે જાતે બોલો છો ને જાતે સાંભળો છો, જાતે બોલો છો ને જાતે સાંભળો છો. તમારા મોઢામાંથી અવાજ આવે ને તમારો કાન સાંભળે. બીજો માણસ તો દૂરવાળો તો પછી સાંભળે, પહેલાં તમને તમારું સંભળાયું. અને just recently, one of our Sapanbhai's friend, he is Muslim, and he has some problems, So I was trying to listen to him, talk to him, advise him, But then at the end I said, that master key is dhun, And if you want to chant Allah, Allah, I will chant Allah with you, And if you are open, then I will chant Swaminarayan, Swaminarayan with you. And he says, it's fine, I am open, I said, okay. Then my dukan is open, So we did varieties of dhun, Om Swaminarayan, Swaminarayan, that dhun, Swaminarayan, Swaminarayan, all those dhuns, we did. And he really enjoyed, And at the end of the dhun, he said the same thing, that I feel much better. I feel happier. Then I guided him, because he is educated, I guided him to kakaji.org and went to the dhun section, And I said, this is our kakaji's dhun, this is our papaji's dhun, all other dhuns, And I said, whenever you have time, just turn it on and listen. So, dhun is the master key. We have the master key, but we don't want to use it. We have a habit of banging our head to the door. ખોલો ખોલો ખોલો. બારણું ખોલવા માટે આપણે માથું પછાડીએ છીએ. નાની ચાવી છે, એ કામ ઘણી આવે પણ નથી કરતા એનો. એટલે આપણે 2 વર્ષ ધૂનનો પ્રયોગ એટલા માટે રાખ્યો છે કે થોડાક ધૂન કરતા બધા થાય. People will start tuning with dhun, That is what I have seen also. Lot of progress, lot of, dhun going on, On Wednesday, our NG Ben was saying, that even though we are doing our work, but if we have on the side, on the phone or anywhere, dhun going on, it gives the different vibrations. Rather than other negative thoughts, you would think of Kakaji. When Kakaji's dhun is there, you will think of Kakaji. And Kakaji is very tricky, He will not have just smooth dhun, He would have up and down, So you will pay the attention, Swamiji also has style, Hey Maharaj, દાસાનું દાસ બનાવજો, અક્ષર બ્રહ્મની ત્યાં બીજો કોઈ આકાર હોય નહીં. So, we get focused to those things, But whatever you like, but if we do the dhun, then it would elevate our self, So, આજે અમારા શિલ્પાબેનના બર્થડે ઉપર ધન્યવાદ છે એમને. અને એમને વિશ્વાસ છે કે ધૂન કરીએ છીએ એટલે કામ થાય છે. અને એમને એવો બી વિશ્વાસ છે કે ફોન કરીને ધૂન કરીએ છીએ તો વધારે જલ્દી કામ થાય છે. પણ આપણે એ સ્ટેજમાંથી બી આગળ જવું છે કે એ ફોન કર્યા વગર બી ધૂન કરીએ કામ થવું જોઈએ. ઇટ કુડ હેપન ઇધર વે. પણ એવું નથી, મારી પાસે ઘણો ટાઈમ છે. તમે કરશો તો આઈ વિલ બી રેડી. તો અમારા સુરતભાઈની સાથે બી છેલ્લા એક અઠવાડિયાથી અમે કલાક ધૂન કરીએ છીએ. એન્ડ એવરી ટાઈમ આઈ કોલ હિમ એન્ડ આઈ ફર્સ્ટ આસ્ક that if you are busy then we can do it later. And I said, no, I'm ready. I have time, Yeah. So, આજે મારા શિલ્પાબેનને ખૂબ ખૂબ ધન્યવાદ. અમારા સહિષ્ણુભાઈને બી જોબ બી મળી ગઈ. મને એ બી સમાચાર મળ્યા. પણ હું એમ આશા રાખતો હતો મારા શિલ્પાબેન બી ફોન કરીને કહેશે કે જોબ મળી છે એમ. પણ બિઝી થઈ ગયા લાગે છે. પછી અમારા સહિષ્ણુએ આપણે સુરતે મને કહ્યું જોબ થઈ ગયું છે. મેં કહ્યું સરસ. તો આજે સરસ ગુણાતીતાનંદ સ્વામીનો બર્થડે. ટુડે ઇઝ ધી બર્થડે ઓફ ગુણાતીતાનંદ સ્વામી according to the date. And it is matching with the date of Praveenbhai Lad. Praveenbhai Lad's birthday also today. Yesterday I called him. He is already in India to celebrate Diwali and other function in the company of his parents. His parents are in the 90s now, And for last 2 years he wanted to go, but he did not make it. Last year we were at the Paris function, so he has spent a lot of time, from his business, so he could not go during Diwali time. 2012 also he was busy, all these programs, for the 2013 function, so he did not go. So this year he said that I want to go and see with my parents, And it is nice, Our parents are always wanting us to be with them, and this is nice holiday time, So it's nice to be with our parents, But yesterday he was in Powai. He was at his relatives in Powai, So I called, and on our behalf, I said happy birthday, and he has done a lot, in Paris, and he has pleased Kakaji, by doing a lot of seva, So on this day, on Gunatitanand Swami's birthday, Gunatitanand Swami has given us so many vato, talks. And there is one vat in Gunatitanand Swami's talk that the Vachanamruti is the best scripture. Vachanamruti is the best granth, that whoever has interest in reading Vachanamrut and Vachanamrut only can be considered Akshardham's liberated soul. જેને વચનામૃતનો જ ઈશક હોય એ અક્ષરધામનો મુક્ત હોય. But Gunatitanand Swami always does not leave half of the chapter open, He closes that, So he says that જેને વચનામૃત વગર બીજા કશામાં માલ મનાય, whoever has interest in other than Vachanamrut is, કોઈ વાંચેલી વાત? Moh. Moh is the word, Moh means the craze for something else. And that craze is inviting miseries, That is moh. People have craze, but good craze is good, but bad craze is bad, And a moh kehvaya, So Gunatitanand Swami is referring to Vachanamrut. And Kakaji refers to Vachanamrut and Swamini Vato. Those two are our master scriptures, And if we take any one vat out of that, we can become Brahmrup. If we master any one vat, we can become Brahmrup. Those powerful vats, talks in Swamini Vato. So in Swamini Vato, Our Pankaj Bhai reads every Thursday the opening batting, Shastriji Maharaj blessings, શ્રીજી મહારાજે 4 વાતો જીવના જીવન માટે કરી છે. There are 4 talks which is life source of the soul, and they are upasana. Upasana means worshipping the God at the highest understanding, Upasana. Second one is Agnya, means considering ourselves as Brahmarup commanded by Swaminarayan Bhagavan. In Vachanamrut, many times in Sikshapatri, many times in other scriptures, The 116th slok, Nijatmanam Brahmarupam. Dehatraya Vilakshanam. Vibhavya. Vibhavya means by keeping that kind of feeling. Vibhavyatena kartavya. Kartavya means કરવું જ. કરવા જેવું છે નહીં. કરવું જ. That is command. That is આજ્ઞા. Vibhavyatena kartavya. Bhakti Krishnasya sarvada. So we want to do this kind of worship of God by the command of God and Gunatit saints. That is, second thing is Agnya. Third thing is Ekantikma Priti, the love and affection towards the manifest master, manifest guru, manifest Gunatit saint, And the fourth one is the heartfelt oneness with among the fellow satsangis. Bhagavadi સાથે સુહૃદપણું. So these are the 4 things, that Swami has narrated from the Vachanamrut and given us as the life source. Shastriji Maharaj has also solidified that. Yogiji Maharaj, Kakaji, Pappaji, Swamiji Sahib, they all have solidified. Even this year Sahib has put that, Suhradam, Surad Bhaves, the Sopan, of Sahib's birthday part, So these are the 4 things, that Gunatitanand Swami has derived, Just like our soul, there are 4 things. For our gross body, also there are 4 things which is essential life force, for the body. And the first one is oxygen. Without oxygen, how can we survive? We cannot survive for long, Even our brain loses oxygen for few minutes and it starts having problems, So oxygen or the air is the vital things, Without that, our body cannot survive, So number 1 priority is oxygen. The second priority is from air to liquid. Water or orange juice, Coke, milk, whatever, But liquid. And that we cannot survive for long, For a day, 2 days, maybe. Some people would survive for, maybe a month or maybe a year, but not more, not long, So that is next, Water. Between the water and air, which one is more important? Air, right? Don't air, પેલું હવા આપણા માટે ખૂબ જરૂરી છે. હવા વગર જીવી ના શકીએ. હવામાં પ્રાણવાયુ છે, એના વગર જીવી ના શકીએ. બીજું પાણી. હવા વગર તો વધારે ના જીવાય. પાણી એના પછીનું છે. પાણીથી આપણે જીવી શકીએ. અને ત્યાર પછી ત્રીજું છે અન્ન. The food is the third priority. That we can not survive, without food for long, And then our Swaminarayan Satsang, the fourth thing is the clothes, That is essential for our body, We are all human beings and we need decency, we need clothes, And if we don't have clothes, we would not be able to, go outside, right? So, cloth is the priority also. But that is, let's say, number 4, So, પહેલી priority છે હવા, બીજી છે પાણી, ત્રીજી છે ખોરાક અને ચોથી છે કપડાં. આ 4 વસ્તુ આપણે શરીર માટે જોઈએ ને જોઈએ જ. પણ જે પહેલી વાત કરી જીવનની 4 વાતો, ઉપાસના, આજ્ઞા, એકાંતિકમાં પ્રીતિ, ભગવતી સાથે સુરતપણું. Those 4 things, who thinks that which item is like the oxygen? Which vat is like oxygen out of these 4 vato? Anybody? એની પર વિચાર કરજો તમે. યુ થિંક ઓવર ઓન ધીસ 4 things. કે એમાંની કઈ વસ્તુ ઓક્સિજન છે આપણા માટે. કોઈના માટે એક વસ્તુ હોય, કોઈના માટે બીજી બી હોય. જે કહેશો એ બધી સાચું જ છે. હું એવું નથી કહેતો કે તમે ખોટા પડશો એનો. તમે જે ગણશો એ સાચું છે, પણ એ સાથી છે એ બી તમે વિચાર કરજો. You think over why you are giving the top priority out of these 4 as your level of thinking, And then, Okay, our Poonamben says number 3 was vital force, Agnya, Upasna, Ekantikma, Priti, or Guru, Okay. So, how many of you think that it is not the third one but something else? Raise your hand. No, I want to see some, other opinions, Shankar Bhai says first one is oxygen, upasana. Okay. શુદ્ધ ઉપાસના અને શુદ્ધ બુદ્ધ ઉપાસના. હાજી રશ્મિભાઈ. ભગવતી સાથે સુરતપણું ભાઈ. Who agrees with ભગવતી સાથે સુરતપણું ભાઈ? To have the heartfelt oneness with the devotees is the oxygen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, let's go every item, right? Let's go first one, upasana, to worship the God at the highest level. Is that the life force of the soul or not? Raise your hand. Those who agree with that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We will go with that also. At least we are selecting one at a time first, And those who have more than one, they have to raise hand more times, Right? So, number 2, Agnya. Who is thinking that Agnya is the life force? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. બધા 9 વાર જ દેખાય છે. બધા 9. And then who says about એકાંતિકમાં પ્રીતિ? આપણે કહ્યું એકાંતિકમાં પ્રીતિ. There are more today. Okay. So Poonam Ben, आपका घोड़ा विन में. And then how about ભગવદી સાથે સુરતપણું, heartfelt oneness with the devotees. Okay. There were more than first time, we asked twice, to raise the hand. Okay. Right. When you have free time, તમે જે હાથ ઊંચા કરે ને એના વિશે થોડુંક લખજો. You write why you think that it is the vital life force. તમારા માટે ઓક્સિજન કેમ છે એનો. રાઈટ. પણ ગુણાતીતાનંદ સ્વામીએ આ 4 વાતો જીવનું જીવન સાચે જ બતાવ્યું છે. We don't know how the soul survives or how the soul dies, because only elevated personalities like Gunatitanand Swami can see that, and he can tell Shivalal Seth, that I see your soul has gone halfway down, fell down, even though Shivalal Seth did not feel that way, But in our body, we feel, if somebody closes our mouth and nose and stop breathing, in 1 minute, 2 minutes, we will realize, strangled, right? Suffocated, So that we would realize, that oxygen is a must. But what Gunatitanand Swami has given these 4 things are very, very vital and important. Now, Gunatitanand Swami started out in his time with Upasana first, because at that time, if the same group of people that like you are sitting here in front of Gunatitanand Swami or in other satsangs, તમારા જેટલા જ ત્યાં બેઠા હોય, તો એ લોકોને સ્વામિનારાયણ ભગવાનની ઉપાસના એટલી પાકી હતી જ નહીં તે વખતે. They did not have the firm conviction of સ્વામિનારાયણ ભગવાન. આજે, today, nobody of you have seen સ્વામિનારાયણ ભગવાન. Maybe if you have seen, then હું પગે લાગીશ, But you have strong feeling, that સ્વામિનારાયણ ભગવાન is the Sarvopari Bhagavan, ultimate God, So, that chapter is easier today than it was 200 years ago. And upasana is a must. Upasana has to be there. Without upasana, other things cannot move. Upasana is a base. But at that time, it was needed to bring upasana more frequently, so that the understanding is matured, understanding is coming. Next was the Agnya. The Agnya part is that whatever Maharaj Swaminarayan Bhagavan has said, whatever Gunatitanand Swami has given Agnya, so many devotees were there, but very few were following the Agnya. They would say yes, but they would not totally follow the Agnya. And those who totally followed the Agnya, they were very elevated souls. Bhagaji Maharaj, Jaga Swami, Ada, એ આજ્ઞાને નીચે નહીં પડવા દીધી. ભગત જાગા સ્વામીનું આપણે સાંભળ્યું છે ને, સાંકળા વદરના બીડમાં જવાનું. And Jaga Swami, did not give up, he went there. અને એના ફળ સ્વરૂપે એમને ફાયદો બી ઘણો થયો. નિરાવરણ દ્રષ્ટિ થઈ ગઈ. He can see everything remotely, like a TV, at that time. So Jaga Swami was like that. પણ એ અંદરથી એવું ઉગવું બહુ અઘરું છે. And those who have done that, they have been benefited. કાકાજીએ પણ શાસ્ત્રીજી મહારાજની આજ્ઞા પાડી, યોગીજી મહારાજની આજ્ઞા પાડી. તો આજે આપણે બધા કાકાજીને ખૂબ યાદ કરીએ છીએ. એ સહેલું તો નહીં હોય ને. તમે ધંધો લઈને બેઠા હો. If you are just starting a business, you have borrowed money from some relative that you have to promise to give it back, And Shastriji Maharaj asked all that money for Mandir project, And Kakaji gave. એ તો જ્યારે આપણા ઉપર આવે ત્યારે ખબર પડે. સો એ આજ્ઞાઓ પાડી છે તો આજે એ આપણા આદર્શ, આપણું નિશાન છે, આપણું ગોલ બની ગયા છે. સો આજ્ઞા ઇઝ ઓલ્સો વેરી ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ. અને ના પાડી શકાય તો બે હાથ જોડતો જોડવા જ જોઈએ. કે નથી પાડી શકાય, એમને માફ કરજો. પણ ના પાડ્યા પછી જો જસ્ટિફાઈ કરીએ પછી કે આમ હતું એટલે નહીં પાડી શક્યા, તમને અમારો ખ્યાલ નથી, અમે આવી ના પાડીએ ને તમારે ના આપવી જોઈએ, આમ તેમ. સો ધીસ ઇઝ ઓલ જસ્ટિફિકેશન. કાકાજી કહે છે કે ડોન્ટ જસ્ટિફાઈ યોર મિસ્ટેક્સ. ડુઈંગ મિસ્ટેક ઇઝ પાર્ડનેબલ. ભૂલ થાય એ માફી અપાય, પણ ભૂલને જસ્ટિફાઈ કરીએ એ માફી ના અપાય. Then it becomes part of your problem, It is your problem package, So, Agnya is also very important. But those two things, one was Upasana of Swaminarayan Bhagavan, second thing was Agnya of Gunatitanand Swami to be Brahmarup, and that has been 200 years now. Now, what is important today, What is most important today, Just like this BAPS, or our Gunatit Samaj, that it is not that we come here and eat nice dishes, We are not gathering here for just eating food, We are not here just talking nice talks also, We are here for the important message. And that message is Akshar Purushottam Upasana. Akshar Purushottam means soul and God. At the end, nothing remains except the soul and the God. And that firm conviction we are gathering here. For that firm conviction, Shastriji Maharaj left Vadtal. Shastriji Maharaj could have stayed in Vadtal, and he would have been a very well-known saint, in Vadtal, with lots of amenities there, lots of disciples there, lots of mandirs there, But he left for Akshar Purushottam Upasana. He left, and by living, did he enjoy? Did he have all this good fun? No. It was the opposite, Lot of hardships, lot of problems, lot of difficulties, But today we see that the message is clear and loud, And even, I would say, today's message is going to be even better as time goes on, It is still in the baby stage, But ultimately, the highest understanding is going to be remained is that soul and God, nothing else, Akshar and Purushottam, nothing else. Brahm and Parabrahm, nothing else. Atma and Paramatma. So, that is the message, that is the purpose that Shastriji Maharaj left the Vadtal Sanstha. And even today in BAPS, in BAPS, or even here, they have lot of other hospital programs, they have, charity programs, they have drought program, they have, earthquake programs, they have all other different programs, they have temples, all this. That is not the purpose of Shastriji Maharaj's Upasana. His purpose was only to recognize Akshar and Purushottam, only to understand Akshar and Purushottam. That was his goal. And today, on Gunatitanand Swami's birthday, we want to also elevate our understanding. આપણે પણ એવી સમજણથી અક્ષરને પુરુષોત્તમના ભાવથી સત્સંગ કરવો છે. હાઉસે જોશે એનો સત્સંગનો કોઈ ફાયદો નથી. જ્યાં સુધી તમારા અંતરમાં શાંતિ નહીં થાય, જ્યાં સુધી તમને અંતરમાં વિશ્વાસ નહીં બેસે, ત્યાં સુધી તમે આવશો 1000 વર્ષ અહીં આવશો તો બી ફાયદો નથી થવાનો. You will not gain anything even if you are here for 1000 years. And the moment you have that firm conviction કે હું ભગવાનનો છું ને ભગવાન મારા છે, I belong to God and God is mine, then chapters are different. The roadway is different. આપણે બધા એવું માનીએ છીએ હું ભગવાનનું છું ને ભગવાન મારા છે, પણ ક્યાં સુધી? જ્યાં સુધી બધું ઠીક ચાલતું હોય ત્યાં સુધી. It is only when we are not challenged, but when we are challenged, then it is difficult. And today I got one email, from one of our devotees. And in that email there was one nice statement, one nice line, that I was really happy about that, that our devotees have now that kind of understanding, that kind of firm feelings, that in our life, day-to-day life, if the problem comes, if the challenges comes, we don't cry about the problems. We don't complain about the problems. But we consider those problems as our stepping stones. That is the understanding we want to develop. This is the way I understood. But let me exactly read, what that one line sentence meant, Says that I pray for such strength that no matter what happens in my life, that my faith and values are not only unshakable, but strengthened. Again, I pray for such strength that no matter what happens in my life, that my faith and values are not only unshakable, but strengthened. That's very nice understanding. And when the test comes, we would want to pass with flying colors. When the challenges comes, we want to have A+, not B, C, D, E, right? That is the kind of understanding we want to develop today on Gunatitanand Swami's birthday, He is ready to give us that, He is ready to make us that strong, Appa tayyar છે, but we are not ready. We are doubting. We have liking and attraction somewhere else, and that will delay our process. એના લીધે આપણી પ્રગતિ સ્લો થઈ જશે એનું. સો આજે સરસ ગુણાતીતાનંદ સ્વામીના પ્રાગટ્ય દિન ઉપર આપણે એવી પ્રાર્થના કરીએ. We pray that Swami, you came down and gave us the very clear picture, glory of Bhagavan, glory of you, glory of Ekantik Saint, glory of Bhagavati. All those things you gave, So, we don't want to fail. We don't want to shaken up. But we want to strengthen ourselves, કોઈ બી પ્રસંગમાં અમે હારી ના જઈએ. સો આવી સરસ ભાવના જે આવા સરસ દિવસે કરીએ It's about 9:30, and I would like to have, some other folks also come and share their views. સહજાનંદ સ્વામી મહારાજની જય જય જય.